Kabisado naman nila yun. Early 2000 song?
Is your guilty pleasure song?
Oh my gosh.
Uy, okay. Okay, tapos na. And, wala tayong masyado nasabi dahil alam naman natin na maganda sila. Okay, ako na mauna magkano. Yeah, mag-thoughts. Okay. Sobrang nakaka-good vibes. Yung video, simple lang, kumakanta habang nakasakay sa e-bike. Pero ang dami mong mararamdaman. Kasi, may fun, diba? Natawa ako, energy, natural lang sila lahat, walang pilit. Kaya, masarap sila talaga ang panoorin. Tapos may halong kalokohan si Maloy at saka si Sheena. Pero kahit ganoon, hindi pa rin nawawala yung quality ng performance nila. Ang smooth din na nag-edit kasi, kakanta yung dalawa. Magkakadikit, sobrang smooth nun. Ayan, parang road trip na kantahan pero may talent show on the side, no? Sobrang magulo sila pero masaya din. Palagi may good vibes sa video talaga na to. Tapos, ibang level talaga ang Bini para sa akin. Kahit saan mo sila dalhin, mapa-stage man o sa e-track, dala pa rin nila yung charm nila at galing. Hindi mo na kailangan pilitin yung reaction mo kasi sila mismo yung mapapangiti sa'yo, talented na, tapos nakakaaliw pa. Kaya, solid na magbibigay ako ng rating nito to 1 to 100 is 100 ang bibigay ko. Kahit simple lang yung content na to, pero nagalingan ako. Okay, ako na. I've seen this girl before. As far as I know, she's a half Filipina. And I was surprised kasi she met Bini. And wow! Bini is really famous talaga, di ba? Yung una kinanta nila Shaggy D. And what I can say is, they seem a bit shy because the e-trike was moving. Sorry po sa maingay po. They were exposed because it was an open space and there were many people around watching them, di ba? But they were still able to sing beautifully even while they were laughing. Despite they playful and noisy talaga, Bini truly captures the unique charm of Filipino humor. Watching them is never boring. Their energy is infectious and they can make you smile or laugh without even trying. They seem like fun and loyable people you'd want to be around. I'm giving them a perfect score of 100.